you can create a template annotated case report form from the variables from the datasets that's being extracted to this ANNOCRF. When you start it, it will show you the datasets that it's going to be extracted from your extraction script at the specified directory. And by default, you can actually have the questions names in addition to just the dataset and variable, or you can say no. Now in this case, you have the option of previewing your data prior to your extraction, and also the way that it's going to be annotated. So this will give you a view as to what the dataset would look like, so it can log into Oracle, grab the values, and then show you what those variables are. In this case, it's an empty dataset, but you can see all the different variables that are going to be, and their labels as it's being included into this dataset. Now to create the template, all you have to do is specify the location of the file, which it will be an RTF Word document, and click OK. In this case, it's going to generate a template where it has the dataset name followed by the variable name for all the ones that's defined in the system. So you can actually click and drag on this to position it to the right location. So the first thing you would do is you would insert a picture of your blank case report form, and you would select to have the actual picture be part of the background. So for example, if you were to go to layout and say that the text is going to sit in front of the graphics, that way when you click on this, you can actually, sorry, let me format picture. The actual is going to be behind the text. So let's apply that. Okay, so in this case, the text reside on top, and you can navigate and move it to the you can navigate specific annotations here, and have other tools. For example, you can have an arrow pointing to that specific annotated field. So this is how you can retain the spelling of your variable and the dataset without making a mistake, since it creates this template for you. You can generate the same annotated case report form template by clicking on the save code. In this case, it generates a macro that has the actual same specification in terms of the output file, all the data sets specified, and the location of your script file. So all of these that are defined here could be expressed in a macro that could be executed in batch mode.